So hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I am going to show you how to make mini pizzas. So let's roll the intro. So these are the ingredients which we are going to use today. So let's get started. First of all, I am taking refined flour, and now I am adding little salt into it. Now here I have taken warm water, and now I am adding dry yeast into it and sugar so that my yeast will get activated. Warm water and sugar will activate my yeast, and I am going to keep it aside for 5 to 10 minutes. After 5 to 10 minutes you will see it has turned into a foam. So this is we want. Now here I have taken refined flour and little salt into it, and now I am adding 1 tablespoon of oil into it and activated yeast into it. And now we have to make the soft dough out of it. It will take around 5 to 6 minutes to make a soft dough. Now my dough is ready. So now I am going to proof my dough for 1 hour. For that I am applying little oil to my vessel so that my dough will not stick to the bottom. As well as I am applying little oil to my dough as well so that it will not get dry. And now I am covering it with damp cloth, and I am going to place it at warm place for around 1 hour. And now for making the pizza sauce, here I have heated pan, and now I am going to add little oil into it. Now I am adding chopped garlic into it. I am going to saute it well unless it turns into a lightly golden brown in color. Tomato puree into it. I am adding 1 cup of tomato puree. I am going to mix it with the garlic. Now here I am adding some salt, some black pepper powder, and I am going to mix it well. Now here I am adding dry oregano around 2 tablespoons and chilli flakes around 1.5 tablespoons. Now here I am adding half tablespoon of ketchup, so after 1 hour you will see the dough will turn into double in size. So now we have to give a nice knead to our dough. So sprinkle some refined flour on your working surface and knead the dough very well. and again I am covering it with damp cloth and I am going to keep it aside for 5 minutes. Now we have to preheat the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for around 15 minutes. Now after 5 minutes, remove the dough and knead it again, but this time we have to knead it with the softer hands. And now roll the dough and cut it into the small pizza base size. So here are the things which I am going to use: the pizza sauce which I made, tomatoes, cheese and onions as toppings, and this pizza base. So firstly I am taking a pizza base, then I am applying pizza sauce on it, very little, then a layer of cheese, on topping tomatoes, onions, some more of tomatoes, and this I'm going to put it on my baking tray. So these many pizzas I have done. So now I'm going to bake it at 180 degrees Celsius for around 15 minutes. So now after 15 minutes I am going to remove it out of the oven. As you can see, it has baked perfectly. Now I am going to serve it till the time it is hot. So our mini pizzas are ready to eat. If you want the recipe of without oven, then do let me know in the comment section. And as usual, the detailed recipe is going in the description box, so do check it out and subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes.